Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings application, and in here we're gonna navigate to additional settings at the bottom. Scroll down again, and here we should have... Okay, never mind, it's not in here. It's gonna be in About Phone, which is at the very top, the first option. And there it is, factory reset right here. When you click on this, it gives you basically data that it will erase the following items. So you have contacts, photos, videos, apps, accounts, backup, SD card data, and other items on the device. Now there's a couple of these that are just blatant lies. Erase kind of might be confused. For instance, the accounts, they don't get like completely removed, they just get signed out of your phone. They still exist, you can re-sign into them. SD card data, it refers to like data that is stored locally in a phone about the SD card, not the actual data on the card itself. So again, actually that being said, there is no SD card in here even, so this doesn't even apply. Backups, again, backups are usually done to the cloud. It's gonna get rid of the backup data that is on the cloud. So the things that you actually should be caring about is things like photos, videos, music, and any kind of user data that you like to preserve. Now with that being said, if you want to create a backup copy, go through this. If you don't, you can just select erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you'll need to confirm it right here. And it does give you the option to back up your phone right here, but this is going to be backed up to the Xiaomi cloud. If you're backing this device up because you are maybe selling it, you got a new one, and that new device isn't Xiaomi, you will not have access to this backup. So something very important to keep in mind. This will only limit you to be able to be restored on other Xiaomi devices and no other brand. Anyway, I'm gonna select factory reset. Xiaomi considers their user base to be below average, so they give you a timer right here before you can progress any further. They're trying to drill down your head that this will delete all the data. Are you sure you want to go through this? Next, another 10 seconds wasted of your life just to make sure all the important items are backed up. Cool. Let's just wait 1 seconds and we can confirm it, and now it will begin factory reset of the device. This process will take about 2 minutes to finish up or so, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.